I was a soldier once. All my superiors thought I was brave. I wasn't. I mean, I never ran from a fight. Only because I was afraid my friends would see I was afraid. That's all I was, a coward. Who followed orders. No matter the orders. Burn that village? Fine. I'm your arsonist. Steal that farmer's crops? Good. I'm your thief. Kill those young lads so they won't take up arms against us. I'm your murderer. You know, I remember once a woman screaming at us, calling us animals as we dragged her son from their hut. But we weren't animals. Animals are true to their nature. And we had betrayed ours. I cut that young boy's throat myself as his mother screamed, and my friends held her back. That night, I felt so shame. Shame was so heavy on me, I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep. All I could do was stare into that dark sky and listen to that mother screaming her son's name. I'll hear her screaming the rest of my life. I know I can never bring that lad back. All I can do with time I've got left is bring a little goodness into the world. That's all any of us can do, isn't it? Never too late to stop robbing people, to stop killing people, start helping people. It's never too late to come back. And it's not about waiting for the gods to answer your prayers. It's not even about the gods. It's about you. Learning you have to answer your prayers yourself. Seven save you, friends. How can we help you?
What are you doing here?
Well, we're talking about life. You?
Protecting the people.
Oh, we thank you for your protection. Who are you protecting us from?
Do you have any horses?
No horses. No gold. No steel.
Food, then. Protecting the people is hungry work.
I'm sure it is. You're welcome to stay for supper. But we have hungry mouths here.
Stay safe. The night is dark and full of terrors.